I got some needs. I need the money like I need to breathe. I need some honest and I need the scheme. I need the W by any means. Yada da, yada da. Keep making me sneeze. Just not playing no games. I know they say I change. I cannot say the same. I bet they want me shackled. They're locked in the chains. I guess that's just what happens with bad news. On my mama, I never been fragile. I'm the one with the food with this taboo. Turn you niggas to R&B tattoos. Then the nigga feel like an OG. Can't forget all the shit that they told me. Tired of niggas thinking that they know me. You gon' turn me back into the old me. You gon' turn me back into a savage. I done did shit you couldn't imagine. Leveled up in the money mansion. I can never go back to what has been.
Welcome back to the channel. Oh, go on. Lemmy, fast guy. We're outside and it was a beautiful Sunday, and I know everybody's been saying that I haven't uploaded or dropped a video in a while. Well, I got responsibilities and I just haven't been around to recording content lately. But today we have Lemron's Hatch. You guys probably remember this car. It was all motor the last time I videoed this, but apparently Lemron same have grudge or vengeance or what. So he's trying to come and get the EK sedan for no reason, bro. It's just I guess everybody like picking on me, so oh boy. It is what it is. It is what it is. Actually, so what we'll do this to the wastegate. We'll get that knocked out first, and then you have the boost controller. Yeah, so let's do the boost controller from here, because we got to find a place to put the boost controller, and then run those three, and then we can do this. At least we have the boost controller out of the way. If you want to do that, or you want to do, because all we'll have to do after that is wiring like signal and ground, and yeah. signal and power actually.
So you don't come from the ECU.
Yeah, so signal is the ECU, and then you give it power to one of your one of your power sources inside. Yeah. So the plan for today is we have a little bit of work to do. We're gonna do coilovers. That's one. We're doing coilovers, and we want to run the lines. So from here to the fuel pressure regulator, to all over the place, to the boost gauge, to a vacuum source, and then we're gonna actually do one from the turbo to the 4-bar map sensor, and then back to the wastegate. So we got to find a way to run it clear, and I already know that this is not gonna be enough. Like this is like 3 foot, maybe 4, but we're gonna need more. So we're gonna have to decide on which one we're gonna do today. But I guess we're gonna bring the car outside so we can have more working space. We're gonna put it over there in the shade because it's hot. It's like 78 degrees, 98 degrees in Florida, dude. Fuck. So it's gonna be pretty hot. All right, so you about to fire this John up, you know what I'm saying? One time for the one time. One time for the one time. But yo, give me a thumbs up just because of how clean this setup is, dude. All my homeboys. Now you're getting fuel pressure. You're getting more fuel pressure.
Okay.
Woo! shooting, dude. There's a little bit of, you can still hear. All right, y'all boys. So if you want to save 15 to 20% off any of Maxspeedingrods merchandise, remember to check out with K24 to save 15 to 20% off your purchase. You can get traction bars, coilovers, rods, anything you want, you name it, they got it. So remember, Maxspeedingrods.com, and at checkout, K24. Big shout out to Macy from Maxspeedingrods for supporting your boy, for believing in your boy always. And we're gonna start doing the coilovers on the hatch. So we got the jack and everything. Let's get to it, bruh. Talk about shot. That shit shot, boy. But get these johns off right now. And I left the stand for the GoPro, so you already know how this goes. I'm gonna take these off. I'll be right back. From ashy to classy, yiggy. So I'm about to drop the Maxspeedingrod coilover in. It's already adjusted, and get to the other side of the car. It's number over there working on a slammed out TSX. That shit clean, boy. But I'm gonna drop these back in. I actually forgot the mount for the GoPro. I left it at home, and now is a perfect time where I need it, because I could actually just set the GoPro down while I'm recording. But you already know how this goes, bro. I'm gonna put this in, bolt it up. I'm gonna show you the finished product, and boom, already looks 10 times better in the bay. Got a little bit of gap there. We'll adjust that in a few, but we're gonna do both sides, see how high it is from my car to his, and we might take like 1.5 inches, because you don't want it too slammed now. So the front's done. I'm gonna tackle the rear and knock that out. I'll be right back. A trick that I learned. Time to get to the rears and knock them jaws out. The rears are done. You can see it's in there, perfect. So I'm gonna just put the wheels on and do the other side without the camera, and y'all will see the finished product.
You lost another one.